Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. So today I'm out here with another little quad to fly. This time I have the Syma X20 out here. And this is the Tenergy version of it. But it's the same thing. The Tenergy version just has a different color scheme, and that's it. So this little guy does have altitude hold, but it's a pretty decent flyer though. The pitch isn't too bad, and so that means this guy flies pretty fast, can pick up some speed, and even though it has altitude hold, it is deviated, so I think that makes up a little for it having altitude hold, because with deviation you have less fear of this thing flying away. Multi-protocol transmitters usually have great range, and so really not too many worries with flying this guy. Altitude hold does hinder the flight characteristics a little, but for the most part it's still a pretty sporty flyer though. And this guy is the size in between a micro and a nano, and so Quadcopter 101 used to call these cronies. I don't know why, what was the naming scheme behind that, but anyhow, it's that size in between the nano and the micro, and it's a pretty good flyer. It looks like it would have a camera right here, but this is actually a light in the front, so no camera. It's just a sporty flying line of sight drone. Before we get it in the air, I just want to say that this guy does not have a removable battery, so it does have a micro USB socket right here, and so you can plug this guy up to a wall charger or whatnot to get the battery charged. But let's get this guy in the air. Does have lights on it. I am flying it with deviation, of course, multi-protocol transmitter, the jumper. Yep. And so the lighting is a little weird. It has green in the rear and red in the front. Check it out. So let's look at the funnels that it's capable of. So the pitch isn't very deep at all, but the yaw is pretty good though. The pitch actually gets better when you're holding it for a while, and that allows for it to pick up some speed. This thing is really fast. So let's bring it over here. Look at it. It has red in the front. That big light in the front is red, but it's kind of faint compared to the other two that's on the bottom of it. Let's see if I have flips set up. Yep. So flips are set up on this guy. Check it out. You can do loops. And the loops look pretty cool too. I did a front flip that time. Let's see if we can do some barrel rolls. Yep. Barrel roll doesn't look as cool as the loop does. Nope, doesn't look as cool. There we go, the loop there. Try it again. Oops, I did a front flip that time. So as you can see, this guy does pick up some speed fast. Whoa! It actually dies when you hold it too long. when you hold the pitch too long in one direction. So it's like sliding turns a lot with it. Can bank it a little. Oh, you're sliding into that tree there. Hard to be really precise with this guy. Because the pitch lets up when you apply yaw. So it's one of those that pitches really deep when you're pitching forward for a little while, but then as soon as you apply yaw, it flattens out on you. It's fast though, I'll give it that. Let's see if we can do a loop with it flying fast like that. Oh, it flipped forward on me. It seems to want to climb too when you do a flip. Up, we got the lights flashing, man. I was just going to try to fly fast and do a loop. So the lights are flashing. Let's bring this guy in. Just trying to go backwards. The wind is actually blowing it on me. So let's go this way. Try to catch it. Oh, and it died on me. And so that's the Syma X20. This is the Tenergy version of it. Pretty decent flyer. Not too bad for a flyer with altitude hold. It does flatten out when you're applying pitch though and you apply yaw to it. And so this guy flies fast, but it doesn't do good funnels. But nevertheless, you can have fun with it. The Syma X20. Thanks for watching.